Think you know Florida? Well, think again. This Sunshine State has a few surprises up its sleeve. Yes, it's home to Disney World and some of the world's most beautiful beaches, but that's just the tip of the iceberg. Florida is a treasure trove of hidden gems and little-known facts that will make you see it in a whole new light. From its captivating history to its unique wildlife, Florida's depths are waiting to be explored. Ready to dive into the fascinating depths of Florida? Stay tuned. Florida, also known as the Sunshine State, has had many names throughout history. Once christened La Florida by the Spanish, meaning the land of flowers, it was a nod to its lush, vibrant landscapes. Another moniker, Pascua, Florida, refers to the Easter season, when the state was first sighted by Spanish explorers. Each name contributes to Florida's rich tapestry of history, culture, and natural beauty. So the next time you refer to Florida, remember it's not just a state, it's a story. Did you know Florida is home to a myriad of unique wildlife? This vibrant state teems with a diverse range of species, from the gentle manatees gliding through warm waters to alligators sunning themselves on riverbanks and elusive panthers prowling in the shadows. The Everglades National Park, a World Heritage Site, serves as a sanctuary for these and many other endangered species. It's a testament to Florida's commitment to conservation, and so, we find that Florida is a state where nature truly comes alive. Beneath the surface, Florida hides an ancient secret. Off the coast, under the shimmering waves, lies the intriguing underwater archaeological site known as the Bimini Road. An enigmatic formation of stone blocks, it has sparked countless theories and whispers of a lost city. Some speculate that this submerged road might be the remnants of the legendary Atlantis. A mystery cloaked in the depths of the ocean, it lends a touch of intrigue to Florida's coast. Who knew that beneath Florida's waters lies a potentially historical marvel? From the depths of the ocean to the vastness of space, Florida has played a significant role. Perhaps the most unexpected role Florida plays is in space exploration. Specifically, Cape Canaveral, nestled on Florida's east coast, has been the launch site for some of the most significant missions in human history. Did you know that this is where the Apollo moon landing missions began their journey? That's right. The Apollo 11, the mission that put the first man on the moon, launched from Cape Canaveral in July of 1969. And it's not just historic missions either. The site continues to be a hub for space exploration, launching missions for NASA, SpaceX, and other major space agencies. So Florida's not just about sun-kissed beaches, alligators, and the magic of Disney. It's also a key player in our ongoing quest to explore the final frontier. So, Florida is not just a place for beachgoers and Disney fans, it's also a gateway to the stars. From its historical significance to its unique wildlife, Florida is more than meets the eye. We've journeyed through the hidden depths of Florida, discovering that it's not just a sun-drenched paradise, but a state steeped in a rich and diverse history. We've uncovered the many names this land has been known by, each one a testament to the cultures and people that have shaped it. We've delved into Florida's breathtaking wildlife, a testament to the state's commitment to conservation and biodiversity. We've explored the underwater city of Florida, a testament to the state's resilience and adaptability. And finally, we've looked up to the stars, acknowledging Florida's unexpected but significant role in space exploration. Each of these facts adds a layer of intrigue and wonder to Florida, transforming it from a mere state to a world of its own. Next time you think of Florida, remember it's not just another state, it's a world of its own. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the Sunshine State.